Hi folks, Max from GalaxyNote3.com. For this week's ROM of the week, do check out C-ROM. This is an AOSP Android 4.4.2 KitKat ROM available for all the Note 3s that's based on Qualcomm, including T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon if you have the developer edition, also the SMN9005, the international model, or Canadian. Definitely try it out. If you want to get pure Google Android, this is one of the full feature ROM with a ton of fun features, customizations. You can make everything dark with the dark C-ROM there. And let me go ahead and show you. Also, I've got custom kernel running, of course. I do recommend Lean Kernel. This ROM, along with this Lean Kernel, makes it super fast. Let me go ahead and show you that real quick. I do recommend, for best performance, set it to 2.726 gigahertz and set it on boot. Makes your phone super fast. InterActiveX or on demand. InterActiveX is probably my recommended governor there. Let's go ahead and get into some of the stuff you can do with this ROM here. C-Tool. You'll be able to find all of these customizations. Very nice stuff. All the stuff you've probably seen before with AOSP ROMs if you've tried AOSP ROMs. Let me go ahead and show you some of the stuff you can do here. Interface. This ROM also does have on-the-go mode, which is really nice. If you enable that, you can go ahead and hold the power button down, go on the go, and you know, if you live in New York City and there's a bunch of people and you're walking and reading your email at the same time, then you can see through your phone while walking. So very nice feature, and a lot of AOSP ROMs are implementing that, and you can get it with this ROM. Driving mode is great. There's a bunch of options you can do. If you enable this, you'll be able to have your phone speak messages for you, speak for incoming calls, all that good stuff. So very nice stuff. And let's go recent panel. Let me go ahead and show you some of the stuff that I like. Status bar, you can change the battery icon, battery bar location, clock. I like to put my clock in the center. I like to show the AM, PM, and the date. That kind of frees up some of the rule. I kind of like it that way. You can change also the colors of your status bar. Double tap to sleep. Ow, there we go. Status bar slider. This is very useful for controlling the brightness of your phone, and show network speeds. That shows you how much bytes are actually being used when you're downloading and uploading on your phone. Quick settings, you can go ahead and enable quick pull down. Basically right now, if you use one finger, it's going to give you notifications. If you use two fingers, it's going to give you quick settings. With quick pull down, you can set it to the right. So if you go to the right, it's going to give you your quick settings or quick toggles, and to the left, it's going to give you the notifications. Now you can also set smart pull down, say no dismissible. Then what happens is, if you have no notifications, it's just going to show you quick settings, which is kind of smart. Let me go ahead and show you some other stuff. Pi controls, you can go ahead and enable Pi if you want to, and I'm going to enable it for the right side. And you can also customize all of the shortcuts there, which additional shortcuts you can add to your phone. Halo floating notifications, app bar. App bar is kind of nice, makes your phone into sort of a PC like a desktop. For this, I would recommend actually changing the height like this and change it so the bar's up there. Otherwise, it's going to interfere with your keyboard. If you're using Pi controls, it's going to interfere with that also. And I like to make the width a little bit bigger. And then what you can do is add your favorite apps. Here we go. I'm just going to add some random ones here. Alright. That's going to give you an app bar. Now you can make the width bigger if it's not showing up, and there we go. You can enable it like that. There we go. So app bar, a ton of stuff. Now I'm not going to go over all of them. You can customize your buttons, power menu. You can see there's a ton of stuff you can do with this ROM. there's additional kernel tweaker that you can use on top of the performance menus. Just use one of them, and also custom animations. I mean, this ROM is full features, and I've been testing it out actually for a couple of days. Battery is excellent, even with overclocking, and also that could be due to the Lean kernel. So definitely use Lean kernel along with this ROM. But definitely check it out for this week's ROM of the week. And also you do get the Google camera, the latest Google camera with photosphere video camera working out of the box. So that is nice. And yeah, definitely check it out for this week's ROM of the week. And do let me know what you think. Again, if you have SafeStrap with AT&T and Verizon, you cannot install any AOSP ROMs like this. Sorry, you'll have to, if you have AT&T, I do recommend getting a T-Mobile Note 3. Sell your AT&T Note 3 and get the T-Mobile Note 3. This is like the most versatile Note 3 ever. You can get AWS bands on T-Mobile. You get the international bands on it. You get 4G LTE on it. Actually, I even took it to Korea last week. It works on 4G LTE international frequencies, which is great. That's something a lot of people don't know. So definitely, this phone has actually more hardware than most other Note 3s, which is cool. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching this video. As always, stay high on Android, and I will see you guys soon.